Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a miniature version of yourself or your pet or like even your Roblox avatar. You can make a 3D miniature of using AI. So go to Google Gemini and you're just going to paste this prompt here. I will put it in the description box down below. I might have it pinned if I forget, but it will be in the description box down below. So just go check that out. And then you're just going to insert an image of anything. I'm just going to use a picture of a cat, this cute ragdoll cat. Select submit. You can also try image editing here and then using Nano Banana. And then here is what the final product looks like. So it's super cute, as you can see. Like, look how cute this is. Anyways, I think it's cuter like than the ones I've generated so far. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.